Dear friends, particularly IT students, yesterday we discussed Section 67 of the Information Technology Act, which proposes or which provides punishment for publishing or transmitting the obscene material in electronic form. So, whoever publishes any material which is lascivious or appears to the prurient interest of to deprave, tend to deprave or corrupt any person who is likely to see or read it, then he will be punished, of course, for the first time for 3 years. No, first time I think it is for a time of 3 years. If second time it will be 5 years. So this is the sum and substance of Section 67 of the Information Technology Act. Yesterday, Arundel PS, the SHO Arundel PS of Guntur city, they have arrested 2 people who are called as CBN Army. Of course, they are running a YouTube channel under the name of CBN Army. And 2 people, they have been arrested by Arundel police. So, their names are Mr. M. Madineni, Venkata Mahesh Babu. He is a software professional actually, and he is running the YouTube channel under the name of CBN Army. Right? He is running it from Vijayawada. Presently, he is staying in Guru Nanak Colony, Vijayawada, whereas he belongs originally to Shavalapuram of our Venukonda area. Right? So under him, a technical assistant has been working. His name is Sai Kalyan. He is from Machilipatnam. So both of them are staying at Vijayawada. So where they stay is not necessary, but what they have done is necessary. So now, they are allegedly collecting the YouTube videos of the speeches of the leaders of the political party which is in power and morphing the same, giving voiceover, and ultimately they are actually posting them in the YouTube. So when the voiceover is there, definitely the other voice will come, and it is actually causing annoyance to the people or the political heads who are in power. So in this connection, of course, these 2 boys have been arrested under Section 67 of the Information Technology Act. Other IP sections, let us not bother. Right? So 67, already I told you, whether it applies or not, it's a different thing. It is for the court to decide whether the section will apply or not, or if they go to the High Court for quashment, it can be quashed also. But please remember, this is mainly meant for the transmitting obscene material which causes annoyance, which is not liked by the general public. So otherwise it can be called as morphing. Morphing can be dealt with under Section 66. So that is nothing but almost extension of Section 43. You might have seen in the case of Bhimsen Garg was State of Rajasthan and others 2006, where the editor of that journal, daily newspaper Mahaka Bharat, he has taken the CD, he has morphed it, and actually he passed bad news, adverse news against the so-called minister Rajendra Singh Rathod of Rajasthan, alleging that he has got connection, he is involved in the so-called sexual orgy, and he has actually encouraged that woman by name Vanitha, and that husband of the Vanitha used to send that woman to him, and she was arrested. She has given 164 statement as though she has not at all, she didn't know the minister at all. Ultimately, when the CD was sent for the so-called forensic examination, forensic laboratory, there were 62 cuts, discontinuities in the CD, and that's why they were booked under Section 66A. Of course, it is another thing. So please remember, definitely you will land in trouble if you share or if you morph, you do the so-called morphing other things. Of course, you may question me that what about Article 19(1)(a), freedom of speech and expression. Please remember, it is not right to speech, it is right to freedom of speech. You have got a freedom. The freedom is subject to certain limitations, subject to reasonable restrictions. You should not take undue advantage of the freedom of speech and expression. Of course, it is a political issue, and of course these people may throw some dung on them, and they may throw something on these people, YCP and TDP. Let us not bother about that. But the thing is, you have to know the provisions of law, whether they will be applicable or not. I am sure Section 67 will definitely not applicable. It will be quashed. It is a different thing. But the police have got enormous powers to use this section. So the first thing is they are arrested, they are in jail, and the day before yesterday itself, the Superintendent of Police, Amireddy, APS, he stated that they will be given bail because it is below 7 years offence. But still, he has come to the police station, he has given a press statement. Of course, it is to create awareness among the young people who unnecessarily post some unauthorized material. But of course, it has become once again a controversial issue by the political thing. Nara Lokesh commented on Amireddy that he is, because he is a Reddy, all these things are there, whatever it is. Let us not divert the subject, but legally, please speaking. So, 2 people belonging to CBN Army, they were arrested under 67 of the Information Technology Act. And now they are released on bail. Thank you.